how to log in to Virgin Money. Now if you want to log into Virgin Money, it is actually quite very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Virgin Money application. Once you launch the Virgin Money app, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now if you don't have yet an account, you can tap on apply for an account button, but if you have an account and you've already registered online access, go to sign in register button, whether it's personal or business, select that, then tap on the get started button. Now what you'll need to log in is basically internet banking password, debit card details, and telephone banking access code number. These three things are the one that you need. So make sure to first of all enter your 10-digit customer number, tap on continue, then make sure to enter your internet banking password and other options to be able to log in. If you forgot your details, you can tap on the forgot your details option to also reset it. But to give you an idea, this is how you can go ahead and then basically log into Virgin Money. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.